At HH Nonwoven Machinery, we manufacture industrial spunbond and meltblown polypropylene machines. We offer a wide range of machines, including single beam, double beam, triple S, SMS, SMMS, SSMMS, and etc., and a wide range of spindle width, including 1600mm, 2400mm, 3200mm, 4000mm, and 4800mm. And all of our machines are customizable for your needs. We have supplied our machines to customers all over the world, including but not limited to India, Pakistan, Turkey, Russia, and Australia. At HH Nonwoven Machinery, we pride ourselves on being customer-focused, quality first, and having the best after-sales service in the market.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.